friends, running Kimono, and today's video we're going to talk about the 5 off of 20 over at the Dollar General. Well, if you look at the details or the fine print of this coupon or store coupon, it expires on the 29th, which is Friday. It usually expires on the Saturday, but for whatever reason they changed things up. So we're going to look at this in a whole bunch of different ways, how to use it and how to have the most amount of success. And yeah, it's just a weird curveball, but there's some digitals and some other magic to go with this, so we'll see what we can do. The first transaction that we're going to look at is to grab a fabric softener and then 2 of the fireworks. I'm grabbing these specific items to work in concert with the digitals that we have right now. And these products are $6.95 each, just to let you guys know that. And we're going to look at them here in the store in a second. Okay, and here it is. I just think that this price for fabric softener, it's a really great item to grab. Here is the sticker. So there's a $2 digital. And just to show you, there's the coupon. So you can go for detergent or fabric softener, your choice. But I'm going to go with fabric softener. And don't forget to use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure that your coupons and everything are attaching as well. And then we're going to grab 2 of these, which are the Gain fireworks for $6.95, as you can see. Now, some of us were so lucky to get this, which is a 3 off of 2. And how wonderful is that? So, okay, so do this one until Friday. The order of when you punch in your phone number, do it whenever. I've been doing it, while they scan stuff, before or after. It doesn't seem to really matter, my experience. Anyhow, grabbing 2 of the fireworks, that's $13.90. Remember, they're $6.95 a pop. And then 1 Gain fabric softener for $6.95. Well, the total for your basket, guys, is $20.85. The Dollar General 5 off of 20 Gain coupon is coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers, the 3 off of 2 and the $2. You're left with paying $10.85 for the 3 products, shaking it out to $3.61 per product. To throw something extra into the pot, this promotion is taking place when you spend $15 on P&G product. You'll get back a coupon on your cash register tape at the bottom. So if you buy $501, you'll get $5 off. So you know how that goes. You need to have $15 before tax of P&G products. Gain is part of the P&G line, and this is in fact printing. I wanted to do this deal today, but for whatever reason, they could only accept cash at this one store, and I just had my debit card on hand, so I couldn't even do a transaction. Had quite the day, guys, but I know that a lot of people are saying, hey, this is working, it's great. But this one is from last summer, but it's a newer one. They run this promotion a couple times a year. When you spend $15 before tax, you get this $5 coupon on your cash register tape. Okay, so for this promotion, guys, we're going to grab 1 Gain fabric softener for $6.95. And then 3 fireworks for $6.95. And this is to go with the digital coupons and then the 1 paper coupon that I have in concert with this. I don't know. I just thought it was kind of a different sort of a mix of things. And if you like fireworks, you know that, this is a really great thing to have in your stockpile, especially like for bedding and sheets. It just gives your sheets an extra something, those extra scent beads, whatever they put in there, some magic. So these are the digital coupons that we need loaded, the $2 for the laundry or the fabric care product, the 5 off of 20, and then the 3 off of 2 for the beads. So yeah, have all these loaded. And then from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, we're going to need 1 of these. And if you look at the second bar of what is and is not included, well, there it all is. And they always make it really confusing whenever they do this. But yes, it is in fact included those beads. Back to the matchup, we're grabbing 3 fireworks for $6.95 a pop. That's $20.85. And then 1 Gain fabric softener product for $6.95. The total here is $27.80. Present 1 $2 coupon from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th. And then the 5 off of 20 Gain Dollar General coupon is coming off. $5 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $15.80 out of pocket. Then you're going to get back that goofy on the bottom of your cash, your receipt. It'll be a little coupon for $501 on your next order. So just go back in the store and grab some toilet paper or something and just spend it right away. And it's $10.80 for the 4 or $2.70 per product. So just a different kind of mix of things, just a little something for you. And I don't think this is the worst deal. The saving grace here is the when you spend $15, you're going to get that $5 on the bottom of your cash receipt so that you can use right away. And so I don't think this is the worst thing. It's still a way around a Saturday deal with the gain. So hopefully you could follow my lead, and maybe this is a deal for you guys to do by Friday. Now, one thing we are going to address is this. Anything in the clearance section, if you scan it with your Dollar General app, it's ringing up for 000. That's not a penny item. It's just some sort of app glitch. As I told you guys, I was in the Dollar General this evening, and I found some stuff on clearance, and this should be like $3.60. And if you scan it, for me, it was ringing up 000. And I think there's something to do with just an app problem or something like that. And it's kind of annoying, actually, if you think about it, because there's supposed to be a clearance event starting on Friday. And I am aware of that, guys. But if we can't, open up the app to scan these barcodes, I'm not going to have a matchup video for you on this because everything's going to be 000. But if you bring it to the cash register, it's bringing up for $3.60. So highly annoying. Hopefully this gets resolved by Monday, Tuesday, because the clearance event is supposed to be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which would be really awesome. And yet another thing I want to talk about. So last week on the 19th, Christmas merchandise was $0.25 each. On the 26th, which is the week later, it will hit 10 cents. So whatever's remaining in your store, that's what it will be ringing up for. I have the sneakiest suspicion that plastics, which are these goodies that are 50% right now on the 26th, I have a feeling possibly it might be part of the 10-cent thing. It's happened the last couple years. So if you don't want to waste your time, if you want to scan this barcode on Tuesday morning in the comforts of your home with the Dollar General app, if it's ringing up 10 cents and if you might have some of this stuff in stock, you might want to take a trip to your store and, you can even buy this stuff to store your stockpile. So just a little food for thought for you guys. Okay, guys, last deal that we're going to talk about is for Saturday only. So it is to use this guy, which is the 5 off of 25. And we're just going to go through a laundry list of some products in case you want to, pick some up. That include 2 of these Palmolives for $3 each. There is a good amount of dish soap in these. And as you can see, it's on a buy one, get one free promotion with a digital coupon. So how fantastic is this? I'm going with Palmolive. It's just a preference. I think the Ajax is like a little bit cheaper by $0.25, but I would go with this one. And as you can see, we have a buy one, get one free coupon. How wonderful is that? So, load this coupon right away. And then also, this is on a price cut for $4, the Chic Classic. So either the ladies one or the men's one. And it is $4 this week. Taking a closer look at the sticker. Boom, there it is. Actually, it's till the 13th. I guess I just lied. You can get the men or the women's. It is your choice, just one of those. And then we have this very generous $3 coupon. So it would drop it down to $1. Like, that's some significant savings right there. Also, grab some of the Snuggle dryer sheets for $3.95. We have a very generous $2 coupon, dropping that one down to $1.95. And just to give you a peek, this is what the coupon looks like. So load this one right away. That's a really generous coupon right there. And then if you cannot be bothered with doing that Gain deal, but you want to get some Gain fabric softener, let's throw one of these into the deal for $6.95. As you can see, $6.95, and we have a $2 coupon. Boom, there it is. Hey, why not? And then just kind of in case you might have this coupon left, let's grab one of these Centrums for $5. And then we have this very generous $4 coupon. So hopefully you loaded this one a week back because it's really generous coupon. Okay, so looking at the math, guys, grabbing 2 of the Palmolives, that's $6. They're $3 a piece. And then 1 Chic Classic for $4, 1 Snuggle dryer sheet for $3.95, 1 Gain fabric softener for $6.95, and then 1 Centrum for $5 on the nose. The total for all of this is $25.90. Whenever you want to punch in your phone number, doesn't really matter. The 5 off of 25 will come off along with $14 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $6.90 out of pocket for the 6 items, making it $1.15 each. Now, remember, guys, the $6.90 doesn't include your tax, so it'll probably be $7 and some change. But like, what a wonderful little deal for you. Now, let's just say you don't have that $4 Centrum coupon. You know what I would do? Throw one of these in. Got nothing to lose. Like, why not, And then in the Smart Source of January the 17th, we had this dollar coupon. So hopefully you have one of them. or maybe there might be an internet printable or something like that. I think the digital for this one expired. Looking at this deal in a different lens, grabbing 2 Palmolives for $6, the Schick Classic for $4, the Snuggle for $3.95, the One Gain fabric softener for $6.95, and now the new addition is the Cottonelle for $5. The total is $25.90. You would present that one coupon. Of course, punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 is coming off. $10 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $9.90 for the 6 items, or $1.65 per product. This is a basket full of laundry, meat and potatoes. Great stuff for the household. So, however you slice it or dice it, there's going to be a deal to be had and found either this week or on Saturday over at the Dollar General. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!